The time on this clock is 5 o'clock. The big hand is pointing straight up to the 12, and the little hand is pointing at the 5. Now the big hand has moved and is now pointing at the 3. What time is it? Imagine if we were to cut this clock into quarters. Then this big hand has gone 1/4 of the way around the clock. So we say it is 5:15. Now the big hand has moved all the way around and is pointing to the 9. What time is it now? Again, imagine that we have cut the clock into quarters. So the big hand has gone through 1/4, 1/2, and now it's 3/4 the way past 5 o'clock. How many quarters has it got to go before the big hand gets to the next hour? 1. So it is 1/4 to 6.